Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 7H, that is word problem. I will explain it and few problems I will solve for you, and rest you have to do yourself. Rest whatever problems I am giving, homework, that should be explained also. Now see, for 47 children sent 20 New Year cards each. How many cards did they send in all? 47 children sent 20 New Year cards each. How many cards did they send all? Any 47 children 20 New Year card each. एक बच्चा 20 कार्ड्स दिया, तो 47 चिल्ड्रन कितने कार्ड्स दिया गया है? That is the question asked. 47 children sent 20 New Year cards each दिया है. See, each is there. Each means one. One students 20 cards दिया, तो 47 children how many cards they have made? Now see, we will find 47 multiply 20. Then you will get how many cards. So this multiplication I have explained you. First you have to write 0 because 20 has 0 there. First write 20 0. Then we can multiply easily. 2 4 7s are 14 plus 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 0, 2 7s are 14, 14 4, carry 1, and 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 940 what? Cards. Got it, students? Now we will pass to second question. If a packet has 52 balloons, how many balloons will 24 such packets have? If a packet, one packet, A means one packet have 52 balloons, then how many balloons will be there for 24 packets? One packet 52 balloons, so 24 packets में how many balloons should be there? That is the problem asked. Now how you will solve? 52 multiply 24. 152, so 24 how many? How many balloons are there? 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 0, this is a long division. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now 8, 4, 2, 1. How many? 1248. 1248. What we have? How many balloons? 1248 balloons. You can write here 1248 balloons. If you complete like this, then only you will get full marks. If you write like this, only 148, there is nothing should be written. You won't get marks. Only 1/4 marks I will give. So, my dear students, you have for word problem, you have to show all the solution. Then only you will get full marks. So, okay, students. Now we will pass to number 3. A box has a dozen eggs, 12 eggs. How many eggs does 35 such box have? A box has a dozen. Dozen means how many? A dozen means how many number 12 numbers are there, 12 eggs. The dozen gives eggs also, banana also, it gives in a dozen. So dozen comes, there will be number 12. So every time you will, this 12 should not be given in the question paper. If the dozen comes, you have to know 1 dozen, 12. So see, a box has a dozen eggs. One box has a dozen. One box में 12 eggs है. 1 dozen eggs है. 1 dozen means 12 eggs है. एक box में 12 eggs. How many eggs do 35 such boxes are? अगर वैसे 1 box में 12 eggs है तो 35 boxes में कितने egg हैं? That is the question asked. 1 box में 12 eggs है. 1 box has 12 eggs. तो 35 box में कितने eggs है? That is the problem it was asked. Now how you will solve? 35 multiply 12. 2 5s are 10. Carry 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Put 0 here. 1 5s are 5. And 1 3s are. Take this 3. Don't take this carry. So this 3 should be there. 1 3s are 3. Plus 0. 7 plus 5. 12. 1 plus 3, 4. 420 what? How many eggs? 420 eggs. Okay? Now we will pass to problem 4. A man buys 36 bananas for his monkeys every day. A man buys 36 bananas for his monkeys every day. How many bananas does he buy in a month? 1 day. Every day yani 1 day. 1 day 36 bananas that man used to purchase. So in 1 month, how many bananas he used to purchase? 1 month, how many days are there? 30 days. It was specified that 30 days. So 1 day that man used to purchase 36 bananas. For 1 month, how many bananas he want to purchase? That is the problem asked. So what? How you will solve? Multiply 30. First write 0 here. Now 0 should be in one space. 0. Now 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. How many bananas? 1080 bananas. 1080. The man should purchase for 1 month 1080 bananas. The heartbeat 72 times a minute. The heartbeat 72 times a minute. How many times does it beat in 60 minutes? Heartbeat मालूम है? Heartbeat क्या है? आपके हार्ट बीट होती ना, पंप सांस जो लेते हैं उसी को बोलते हैं हार्टबीट. आपका हार्ट बीट धक 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 शुरू होती है ना, तो 1 मिनट में 72 टाइम्स होती है. 1 मिनट में 72 टाइम्स होती है. तो 60 मिनट में कितने टाइम्स होती है? 1 मिनट में 72 टाइम्स होती है, तो 60 मिनट्स में कितना टाइम होता है? दैट इज द दैट इट वाज आस्क्ड हार्ट बीट 72 टाइम्स ए मिनट, एक मिनट में 72 टाइम्स, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डज इट बीट इन 60 मिनट? ए मिनट 1, दिस इज ए ना, वो 1 मिनट में 72 टाइम्स है, तो 60 मिनट्स में कितना? सो 72 multiply 60. So first you have to write 0. Now 6 2s are how much? 6 2s are 12. 2 carry 1. You can take 1 in your hand. Instead of writing here, you can remember in your mind that carry 1 is there. And 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1, 43. So, what is this? 4320 watt? Huh? How many times? 4320 times it beat in 60 minutes. 60 minutes में 4320 times होती है. Okay? Now, this is question number 5A. If a day has 24 hours, how many hours does a month have? If a day has 24 hours, then how many hours are there in a month? 24 hours 1 day में है, तो 1 month में कितने hours? 1 month में कितने days है? 1 month में कितने days है? देखो, here only one number is given. You have to find another. Here 1 month is given. 1 month how many days? 30 days. तो आपको 1 day में 24 hours है, तो 30 days में कितना hours है? That you have to find. 1 month 30 days. So 24 multiplied by 30, otherwise you can write 30 multiplied by 24. Both are correct. Now write 0 here. 0 should be 0. 3 4s are 12. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 720 minutes. Okay. How many hours are there? 720 hours. So this is 5B and now 5C. And a apartment block has 186 flats. How many flats will 8 such blocks have? An apartment यानी अपार्टमेंट में जैसे बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे घर फ्लैट्स है. तो एक अपार्टमेंट में 186 फ्लैट्स है, तो वैसे 8 ब्लॉक्स में कितनी फ्लैट्स है? एक अपार्टमेंट में, एक जिस अपार्टमेंट में 186 है, तो 8 अपार्टमेंट में कितनी फ्लैट्स है? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. 186 multiply 8. This is 3-digit number. Multiply with 1-digit number. 8 6 are 48. 10 4. 8 8 are 64. 64 plus 4 68. 6 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6. How much 8 plus 6? 14. 1488 what flats? dear students, up to C I have solved. Now D and E is there. You see in your textbook, page number 71. That I will explain it. Birju delivers 150 packets of milk every day. Birju delivers 150 packets of milk every day. How many packets does he deliver in 15 days? One day में 150 पैकेट्स है, तो one day में 150 पैकेट्स उसने देता है, तो 15 डेज में कितनी पैकेट्स? वन डे में 150 पैकेट्स उसने सेल करता है, तो 15 डेज में कितनी पैकेट वो सेल करता है? That it was asked. So 150 multiply 15, you will get the answer. And how many packets? Give the answer, packets. Okay. Now question number E also I will explain. Mr. Menon reads 12 pages of morning newspaper. Newspaper मालूम है ना? है, कई लोगों के घर में आते हैं न्यूज़पेपर. सो न्यूज़पेपर में मिस्टर मेनन कितना पेजेस रीड करते हैं मॉर्निंग में? 12 पेजेस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर एवरी डे. हाउ मेनी पेजेस न्यूज़पेपर ही रीड इन ए ईयर? एक मॉर्निंग आवर्स में वो रीड करता है. मॉर्निंग आवर्स में 12 पेजेस का रीड करता है, तो 1 ईयर में वो कितना पेजेस रीड करता है? दैट इज द. तो हाउ मेनी 1 year he has given 365. So 365 multiply 12, you will get how many pages? So my dear students, that's 2 problems you solve by yourself and complete in your copy. Thank you students. God bless you.